you just hit record
Alright,
on your
so.
phone?
Yes, I did. Alright, let's see here. We're going to go to landing challenges. We're going to go to. You know what? Let's try the strong wind challenge. How about it, huh?
You can do one, but I'm not on one.
Try this one.
Actually, I'll probably do a 747 one.
Oh, those are really hard in strong wind, son.
Oh.
It's just because the plane is like so slow to react to what you're telling it to do. Can you run up and grab me a Tums out of my room, buddy?
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, it's windy, alright. Let's see here. Got a little bit of flaps here. Flap it so I can slow it down at the end, because with this heavy wind, if I drop my throttle all the way back, sometimes it'll just drop right out of the air. That can be kind of scary, so start backing off. In this plane, it's like 70 knots or something, I believe. Cessna 70.
I grabbed you too, just in case.
30 or whatever it is. What? Oh no! Oh, guess what I forgot? Landing gear, man. I forgot that this was one of the planes. Hey, we're gonna have to restart that one, guys. That was a terrible, terrible mistake. 79 knots. This is not the other Cessna. This is a different one. Okay, people. Let's go ahead and make sure we just go ahead and. Yes, we already got partial flaps, but we do not have landing gear deployed, so we're going to go ahead and put that down, guys. That's pretty important. That's a hilarious but terrible mistake. It looked like it was going to be so clean, too, until I just completely bottomed the plane out against the runway. I do love these GPS screens and stuff that are in this plane. It's very nice. I did learn how to read all the other, like, just basic tools here on the dashboard. It is really nice to have, like, the full, like, GPS topographical type map. Oh, my digital controls. Flaps here. I'm going to come in sideways to try to get it straightened back out more. The wind is hard, so I'm having a full throttle at the bust through the wind a little bit here. Just till we get to the runway and I can bring her down gently. Go.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are coming in with a smooth landing.
It wasn't that smooth.
Not so smooth anymore.
No, it hit pretty hard. The wind just kind of dropped me right out of the air at the very right above the ground. It was a B. It was a B. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's okay. Oh, very close to my best score on that one, actually.
I'd probably get a few.
Alrighty then. I like that plane. That is a fun plane to
Who's
fly.
AC Bongos?
It's just another player.
I've seen that name 40 times. I think it's a robot now.
You know, it could be a bot, but I don't know. Alright. Thank you guys for watching that, and hope you enjoyed the flight. And we'll see you on the next flight.